Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, here's the surprising truth. Many ultra-wealthy people don't work harder than everyone else. They just make their money work harder than they do. And no, they're not all tech geniuses or Wall Street wizards. In fact, most wealthy people focus on one powerful strategy: passive income. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some of the passive income ideas the ultra-wealthy use, and more importantly, how regular people can start using them too. Let's get into it. Number 1. Owning real estate that pays you monthly. The first passive income strategy wealthy people love is real estate. Now, before you panic and say, "I don't have millions to buy skyscrapers," relax. Most wealthy investors didn't start that way either. Think of real estate like owning a money-producing machine. You buy a property, rent it out, and every month tenants pay rent. After expenses, the remaining cash becomes income flowing into your pocket. Here's why rich investors love this. Rent payments come monthly. Property values often increase over time. Tenants help pay off the mortgage. So over time, you get cash flow plus asset growth. Even starting with a small apartment or rental unit can begin the process. The wealthy simply repeat this strategy again and again. One property becomes 2, then 5, then 20, and suddenly they have income streams coming from multiple places. Number 2. Dividend investing. The second passive income strategy is one of the quiet favorites of wealthy investors: dividend stocks. When you buy certain stocks, companies actually pay you a portion of their profits. These payments are called dividends. So imagine this: you own shares in a company. Every few months, that company sends you money. You didn't work for it that day, you didn't sell anything. You simply owned the asset. Now, this is why wealthy investors love dividend investing. They buy strong companies, hold them long-term, and reinvest the dividends. Over time, those reinvested payments start compounding, and compounding is where the magic happens. Your money begins to grow faster and faster. Number 3. Owning businesses without running them. Now, here's a secret many people don't realize. The ultra-wealthy often own businesses they don't actually run. Instead, they invest in businesses and let teams and managers operate them. Think about it like this. If you own 10% of a profitable company, you earn 10% of its profits. But you're not answering customer service emails at midnight. You're not packing boxes. You're simply an owner. This is why wealthy people invest in things like franchises, private businesses, startups. They focus on ownership instead of labor, and ownership creates income streams that can last for decades. Number 4. Digital assets that pay forever. This one is becoming extremely popular today. Many wealthy entrepreneurs invest in digital assets. These include things like online courses, websites, digital products, and content channels. The beauty of digital assets is that you create them once, but they can sell thousands of times. For example, imagine creating a course about photography. You record the videos once, but people can buy it again and again for years. The same goes for websites that earn money from ads or affiliate links. The ultra-wealthy love this because digital assets have very low operating costs and huge scalability. One product can reach millions of people online. Let me give you a quick real-world style example. Meet Daniel. 10 years ago, Daniel worked a normal office job. He decided to focus on building passive income slowly. First, he started investing in dividend stocks. Then he bought a small rental property. Later, he created a simple online course about graphic design. None of these made him rich overnight, but after several years, something amazing happened. The rental properties started producing monthly cash. The dividends kept growing, and the online course kept selling. Eventually, Daniel realized something incredible. His passive income was covering most of his living expenses. Now, instead of working because he has to, he works because he chooses to. And that is the real goal of passive income. Number 5. Royalties and intellectual property. Another powerful income stream used by wealthy people is royalties. Royalties come from owning creative or intellectual property. Examples include books, music, patents, licensing ideas. Whenever someone buys or uses that creation, the owner gets paid. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it takes effort, but once the tree grows, it produces fruit again and again. That's what royalties can do. The big secret the wealthy understand. Here's the biggest lesson wealthy people understand about passive income. They don't rely on one source of money. They build multiple streams. Think of income streams like pipes bringing water into a bucket. If you only have one pipe and it breaks, the bucket goes empty. But if you have 5 or 10 pipes, money keeps flowing no matter what. That's how financial security is built. Let's quickly recap the passive income strategies the ultra-wealthy use. Real estate, rental properties producing monthly cash flow. Dividend stocks, companies paying you part of their profits. Business ownership, earning from companies without running them. Digital assets, online products that sell repeatedly. Royalties, earning from intellectual property. The key idea is simple. Don't just work for money, own things that produce money. Start small, stay consistent, and build income streams step by step. Over time, those streams can turn into financial freedom. If you enjoyed learning these wealth strategies, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you want to keep learning how the wealthy build their money, check out the next video. And I'll see you in the next video.